Hey guys, how you doing? Mark here, and I know it's been a couple of days since I made the video, and I know that I also said I was going to be making a video on an opt-in form, but I had to go out of town last minute, and I'm now just getting back. And I could have made a video, obviously, of some stuff. I'm sit down here and get this all adjusted. I know that I could have made some videos while I was away, but you know, I really want to stick with the series, and so tonight I will be making a video on opt-in pages, and not just any opt-in pages. I'm going to try and go over ClickFunnels, and I'm going to do some other things too. So with that said, you know, stand by. I'll just record the screen, show you exactly what I'm doing, and that way you can see what it is that you need to do. Now, remember the components of this sales funnel, okay, of your system here. The first one is going to be the opt-in page, you know, other than the advertising that you're going to do for it. But the first one's going to be the opt-in page. And then we're going to go to a sales page or some type of video presentation or whatever it may be. It's funny because as I went over all of these things with my own sales funnel, I realized that I was really making some big mistakes. So I'm going to kind of show you those mistakes. And it's not so much mistakes as it is what I'm not doing right, whatever, or what's not working, and I'm still sticking to it, which is a bad plan. Always a bad plan to do that. So don't do that. Do what I say, don't do what I do. You know, I sound like a freaking parent. But that's the deal. I'm going to show you what you need to do, and then, guys, we'll go from there. Hey, guys, and here we are with the awesome computer screen stuff. Yeah, so here we go. We're going to be talking about setting up your sales system, setting up your sales funnel. And I've already talked about, you know, the components. You know, you need the opt-in page. You need a sales page or video sales letter. Yeah, that's VSL. You might need a thank you page. You will need a thank you page. Let's see, what else will we need? That's really it. Then you want to have an offer page or something, okay? So those are kind of the steps that you want to go for. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the opt-in page, and I'm going to show you how to make one for free. Okay, so you don't have to do all this crazy stuff. Now, Lead Pages is one of the best page builders for an opt-in page, for building those capture pages. And remember, your money is in your list. You want to have a large list of people that you're constantly marketing to. Although you don't want to be constantly marketing to them. You also want to be creating videos like this one that offer some value and whatnot. So, yeah. Let's see. We're looking for United States of America. Just bought. Okay, well, that's kind of cool. Whatever. But you can come over here, leadpages.net. Yeah, or .co. But anyway, come over here to leadpages.net and watch the demos.
Lead Pages provides
I mean, there's some good information here, and you know, I think you'll kind of like what you got going on there. But you've got built-in payment systems, the mobile opt-in codes, all of that kind of jazz, and whatnot. Hang on, I've got to reply. Okay, so anyway, back again. You know, you can put in your capture page, the pop-up boxes, whatever. And they have some really nice pages, nice looking pages. It's like I said, it's designed for conversion, and they are. They convert very well. This is kind of an example of some of them. This is kind of an example of a webinar. Just a straight up capture page. I don't see one over here. So, but you know, I'm going to show you one. And you know, or you can also use ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is a little bit more, I would say a little bit more advanced, but it's also very simple to use. You've got some, you do have some, what are they called, Mark? Demos that would help you, that will help you. Classic Funnel Builder. This is a homepage funnel, application, tripwire, blah blah blah. There's all kinds of different things to make here. But like I said, tonight we're not going to focus on the whole thing. We're just going to focus on the opt-in page. So, how are we going to do that? We're going to do that with a Wix, Wix.com website. And Wix website, and I've already set up a site. What I did was I put in my email address, and I started it with a business page. And whenever you do that, you come over here you want to create a website yourself with the editor. So you just go and choose a template, and I always choose blank templates. Yes, blank ones, and I start from scratch, edit. And that's it, guys. You do that. You'll have some controls on the left side, and those controls will allow you to do some things. And like if I go to my site, abmwithmark.com, okay, this is a Wix site. Anyway, guys, this is just a standard Wix page. And I put this image in the background. This is actually in front of my home. And, there's a couple of components to this. You're going to have a headline, which you need to write some decent ad copy. This is okay. You don't have to have the video, although I like to put videos. But you do have to have some kind of button. And this one actually takes you to the actual opt-in page where I ask for a name, email, and phone number. Make the phone number optional. Always do that. Or do that. Here's the deal. If you don't make it optional, it becomes a lot more difficult for people to, your conversions go down. That's the way to say that. So, with that said, what I did do is I created one right here. And this is a very simple, very clean, free. And as long as it's free, it's going to have this ad at the bottom. It's always going to have this ad at the bottom. I think this one up here at the top too. You can get rid of that by upgrading. Okay. Get $75 to $300 per day to your mailbox and do it all on autopilot. Oh my gosh. Isn't that the kind of information we want to know? And so that's what you do. You can make something very simple like this, and you'll get people to start, sending you information, sending you their email addresses so they can get this information about their mailbox money or whatever. And guys, that's really it. Now, I'm not going to go into all of this in great detail, but essentially whenever you have this blank website, when you're starting from scratch, you're going to have these buttons over here to the right, or to the left, my other right. And this is where you could put your background art if you've got some. And this is where you just click the add tab there, and it'll bring up, you can put all kinds of different text in there. You can design a button, put a button in there. You can put down here at the bottom HTML code. That's how I put in my information from my AWeber account for my autoresponder. And I show you how to do all this stuff with the Elite Marketing Systems Group, guys. That's what we do. We show people how to set these things up. We'll actually walk you through the process, or we'll actually set the thing up for you. So that's really all I have for tonight. But that is the deal right there, guys. That's the big enchilada right there. You need to have this opt-in page so that you can start, advertising and sending people to a page. And essentially, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send people to this page. They're going to put in their email address and whatnot, and that will send them to another page, like this one. A thank you. Your video should be heading this way. If you don't receive it, click here. I'll make that, a clickable link. I may keep this video in here. I may take it out. I don't really know yet. I don't want to watch that. Goodness gracious. Yes, no, thank you. Well, they just don't listen, do they? But it's something that I would take out, maybe. But that's about it. You're going to send them the information in exchange for that email address, and that way you can start putting them through your messages, all of the follow-up messages series that you have. And guys, that's pretty much it. I've got my messages, my legacy follow-up series. Yes. And you just have a bunch of different messages that you send people to. So guys, that's it. And it's like I said, if you want to learn the specific techniques, you'll have to sign up with us at Elite Marketing Systems Group, because that information is, it's what you're going to use to build a business. You can build any business with it. I'm going to be charging 99 cents for a 2-week, at least a 2-week opportunity for you to have access to everything, and you can see how we do everything. And after that, it'll probably be about $29 a month, or it's going to be free for every member of the programs that I market. If you join my team, you're going to get that information for free. And but I will continue to make some training videos here and some other videos as well. So if you like that, make sure you subscribe at the bottom. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you don't like this, hit the don't like button. I don't care. But do something, take action, do something. I will go into, within the Elite Marketing Systems Group site, I go into these things very specifically, how we set these things up, how we decide what the headline's gonna be, ad copy. We do a lot of testing, so that's one of the things that's really important, is to do a lot of testing, see what's getting you some good responses and whatnot. Good information on generating leads. We generate tons of leads. It's very simple to do if you know what you're doing, and just go from there, guys. It's not tough at all. I mean, if you want to learn how to generate your own leads, you can. I could have changed this to, learn how to generate 75 to 300 leads per day, if that's what I needed to do. So I mean, it's very flexible. It's a very flexible platform, and this one right here, very simple. Somebody that's looking for this information, and that's the key. You're always looking for that target audience, and you're looking to just provide for that target audience. You're not looking to create a new audience or anything like that. You're just looking to give them the information that they're already looking for. So guys, that's the tip of the day. That's the secret. Like I said, make sure you subscribe. I'll make some more videos for you, and guys, have a great day. I'll see you at the top.